So here we have a unique opportunity. It's a beautiful period furnished co-op apartment right by Columbia University. That's 114th, so steps to, or wheelchair strokes or whatever to the campus. And it's right by Riverside Drive. Not on the drive itself, the main entrance is, but the side entrance is just before that. And this apartment is is furnished, according to the person who lived here, who is currently taking a break, and would like someone to take it for the year. Probably more like the academic year, just because of the weight required on the co-op board. There's a process, and the sooner it's started, the more likely to time things up. So let me give you a little walk around here. It's a big bright window. There are curtains on it. You actually have river views, maybe not from this window, but certainly from the bedroom. And here you get an idea of the room, how it's furnished, in a very personal style of it's just a regular Riverside Drive apartment that has that feel to it. And it's almost like a bed and breakfast, but for a year. Got a big closet over there as you enter. It's not very deep. Here you have a television set that can be hooked up, and it's a pretty good sized living. Dining is just this little table here with 3 chairs. So no big dinner parties, but very comfortable living. Here's the kitchen. Nicely renovated, very modern, deep sink, lots of closet space. There's a refrigerator, a little bit of storage up there, but it's actually vented out. Stove, oven, and then you go through to the bedroom. And the bedroom, once again, is very spacious. It has a very beautiful window, a little chair and table there, and you can actually see the river. That's the Hudson River over here. This room has lots of closets, and they are empty. You can put your things in them. There's some of the owner's stuff up top, but the closets these 4 closets are empty. I think there's one that might have some mattresses, just in case you need to, if you have guests, someone staying over. As you can see, there's a lot of closet space here. And one more. So now this is an elevator building. It's not a modern building, but it does have 24-hour doorman security. There's your bathroom, the window in the bathroom. So cute little old Riverside Drive bathroom. And this lovely pre-war, you can see the ceilings are really high because it's a pre-war co-op on Riverside Drive, and has a very particular feel. It's for someone who's looking for a very old New York feel, this is it. You've probably seen it in the movies and the TV shows. This is the kind of apartment that it's pretty accessible, very close to Columbia. I'm not sure if there's a step coming in, but there certainly is someone to help in any situation at the front door. Christopher Butt here with Corcoran. My number is 917-721-0202. Renting out this lovely furnished apartment in a co-op for a year. And my email address is cbutt@corcoran.com.